substance that have a positive. So, just for boil. Also, you use the small function. So you must do it like the computer, you must plug it and let people move. That's all. Okay, now something to thank you. Die. Bye. Number 7. Your modem is not functioning. You must plug it in the University of Seattle. Okay, thank you. Die.
I'm from Harvard.
Harvard University. So you must click it in the www.com.bg. You know the modern mark. And in the igma.com.ph, University of Seattle, Harvard Positive. Hey, sir. Come again.
Come on.
Hindian ka pa ina si Doy. Hi.
Hello.
Everybody say hi.
Hi.
No, with feelings. Hi.
Hi.
Silent H.
Hi.
Tanya.
Therefore, conclude. The super-saturated solution can combine.
Well, can you see that?
Goso.
There's so many cool gas.
Goso. Pargoso. Pargoso ko, no?
Ngayon, just shanto.
Kaya yung picture mo, like, 80%.
Kuha nga ako. Ano di? Business mo.
Ayaw mo pa na. Magtalikod
I'm the
mo na.
president.
Sa likod mo na, bibiglasan ng oras yan.
O din, tawagin mo na ako, Mr. President.
Ako muna ngayon. Ako muna.
Nang silaw, Tanya.
Yes. Sorry for that. Yes, you must connect to Wish. Okay, I will connect which second. Thank you. And I search my English fluent in university. Okay, just a minute. I will connect.
It's a minute.
Connecting. You can answer now.
Who's calling me? President. I'm the president of
Of the
Dayan
technology.
Group of Companies.
Dayan.
Saan yun? Agukan! Sa Korean novela. And I'm here to present to you my presentation. Round out.
PS5. Okay. Okay, I will
Silaw, Tanya.
That's my name. My name is Talk to No, or the atomic weight of 25. With 5 volts of...
Tanga nilang silaw. Ano ka ba?
Sorry for that. Sorry for that run out. You know that the PowerPoint presentation of the University of Parina.
Sabi na, UP, University of Barina.